Hey everyone, shooting another active video, and this one is about the Voltera Protect. Comes in both men's and ladies, doesn't
men's
it?
And ladies, yeah. Clothes in each.
We're very warm.
It's an electric jacket, so you just plug it into your battery charger, phone charger, and off you go.
Yeah. So more detail in the vid. Hope you enjoy.
Zip jacket and these lovely warm jackets that we're wearing today.
Yeah.
Heated jackets.
Yeah. Fully heated. Battery powered.
Back.
Yeah. Power pack powered, aren't they?
Yep.
So this one comes with, which I might have said earlier, only one setting, which is on and off.
Basically, you plug it in, it's on,
and it's thermogard insulated. What do you think of the jacket, Rick?
Yeah,
like
it's great. Yeah, you know, you've got your insulation to start with, and if the temperature really drops, you've got the option of turning on the heat.
Yeah. So it's waterproof as well. Waterproof takes seams with hydrophore, so it's waterproof, not breathable, which you might have seen in my other videos.
Yep.
I mean, one of the questions that we get asked is, which we asked before, wasn't it? If you've got a good insulated waterproof jacket, why do you necessarily need a power pack with it?
Yep.
But the power pack gives you the option, obviously, controlling what temperature you want to be at, and you can turn it on beforehand. If it's really cold, it still takes time to warm the insulation, so you can put it on 20 minutes before you get out of the car, so you're automatically toasty. It's minus conditions.
You don't need 20 minutes. It warms up in less than 2 minutes.
Yeah, less than 2 minutes. So for 20 minutes, you'd just be wasting your power.
Yeah. Well, ideal for sports events, you know, football matches where you sat down and it gets cold.
Yeah.
You know, even with an insulated jacket on, you still get cold, don't you? So when you're able to turn on the heat.
Yeah, it's ideal for stuff where you're not going to be as active, really, isn't it?
It is. Yeah.
Because if you're being active, obviously you warm yourself up a lot.
Yeah.
But if you're being inactive, you know, standing outside watching your kids, like you said, at football, it's ideal.
Yeah.
Cool. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's bye from me.
And bye from me.
Thank you.